This is the noise that is coming out of the engine. It's my 2007 Dodge Ram 1500 with a Hemi engine. I'm here at the dealership and the technician checked it out. He said that the noise is coming from the bottom part of the engine. And he believes it's either the bearing rods or the crankshaft. What's funny is that this engine is only 3 months old. How about that?